take your spotlight. If I wrote you a symphony, just to say.
Hi loves, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. So today I tried these cute little crisscross braids and they came out super cute. So I'm gonna show you guys how I achieved this look and how I did it and whatever. So we're gonna get right into the video. Okay, so I'm starting off with freshly blow dry hair. I'm using 3 packs of these freshen hair. It comes with 3 bundles. I'm also using some rubber bands, some shine and gem, and some Rattail combs. Okay, so as you see, I'm taking my Rattail comb and I'm parting my hair ear to ear. Okay, so now that I'm done parting, I'm just going to tie that section up and get ready to do the knotless in the back. Okay, so I did lose the footage of me doing my knotless braids from the very beginning, but I did manage to have the video of me almost done. So I'm just going to show you guys how I did my knotless braids. But anyways, I'm going to take a little piece of the expression hair and I'm just going to braid my hair. I'm not going to braid it all the way down, just braid it one time. And then I'm going to add the expression hair into my hair. And I add a few pieces of the expression hair really till I feel like the braid is thick enough. So I'll just say just keep adding hair till you feel like your braid is thick enough for you. Okay guys, so this is the final look of the knotless braids. I did make my braids pretty jumbo, not too big, but I wanted them pretty big. So now I'm starting in the front, and as you see, I'm just going to part off my first section. Okay, so once I'm done sectioning my part, I'm going to get my rubber bands and I'm going to take some hair oil and I'm going to put the hair oil all over the rubber bands so I can prevent breakage. So once I'm done with that, I'm just going to part this section in half. And once I part that section in half, you'll see that I'll be parting that part into 2 squares. And once I'm done with that, I'm going to take the shine and gem and I'm going to put it on the part to smooth it down. And after that, I'm going to take the rubber band and tie it around the part. Okay, so once I'm done with that, you'll see that I'll be doing the same thing on the other side. So now that I'm done putting those two parts into rubber bands, I'm going to start with the back. I'm going to section it off like I did to the front, but I'm not going to put rubber bands on both of those two parts. I'm going to take the top piece and I'm going to, basically I did a close-up. I can't really explain it, so I'm going to just let you guys see the close-up. So yeah, I hope that close-up explained that step that I was trying to struggle explaining. But yeah, I'm just going to do the same thing to the other side. So like I said earlier about losing footage, I did lose this footage of me sectioning this part, but I did do the same thing like I did to the first part, and you're just gonna see me do the same thing basically. Okay, so I do know that you guys see that I still have some more hair there. I did lose the footage of me continue to crisscross it. All you have to do is, continue to crisscross it. So I am going to speed the process up, but I'm going to slow it down to the point where I got to that same section so you can see how I finished my second section. Okay guys, so I slowed the video down. We're at that part of the section I was talking about. So basically it's pretty much the same thing. I partied into 2 squares, you know, put the shine and jam, and then basically I'm just showing you how I continue to crisscross it going all the way back. So yeah, that's basically how I finished my last section. So I'm gonna speed the process back up, but y'all, my facial expressions are killing me. Like, why am I looking like that while I'm doing my hair? Like, please do not start laughing. Just don't mind it, okay? Okay y'all, so I'm almost done. All we have to do is add the knotless braids to the hair that's not braided. So let's add these knotless. Okay, so we on to the knotless. It's basically the same thing I did to my knotless in the back. I just take a little strand expression here and just keep adding pieces of expression here till I feel like my braid is thick enough. So yeah. Okay, y'all, we are finally done. This style took me like 5 hours to do, but it's super cute. And I hope this video wasn't too complicated. I hope I explained it the best way I can. But guys, please make sure to like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to turn your girl post notification bell on so you can be notified every time I post. And I'ma see y'all later.
Because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the